This brief tutorial will show you how to create a report to identify those people that are enrolled in the SC onboarding for DDS reporting and who have both completed and not completed those courses. So you're going to go here to reports, you're going to do add a report, you're going to add a branch activity report, and you're going to select the last one here in this first box. Select activities by metadata, and you're going to check these because some of your courses that you're using in onboarding are from the shared folder and other folders. So I'm going to check those. Then we're going to come over here to the DDS SC onboarding reporting tag, and we're going to select all of them because we want them all to show up in the report. So, all right, that's the only one we're going to need to check here. We're going to click next. Then we're going to set the report date. And if you want to make this a recurring one, I suggest you select the end date for the same date, but in 2026. So we'll go back here to June, and we're going to go to 2026. And we're going to say June 1st, 2025 to June 1st, 2026. You can filter dates after you get the report. So then we're going to click next, and we're going to do all statuses. We're going to include the incomplete and the completed. So we're going to check all statuses, and we're going to select only give us the people that are yes, they are a service coordinator. And remember, our definition is they must have a caseload. So no managers, no intake coordinators, only SCs, SC temps, SC associates, that sort of thing. So then we're going to include the individual learner completion data in a separate workbook. So we want the title of the course. I unchecked the course ID. It's just that long UID type data. The course code's fine. If you want to really refine you can always hide that part of the report. First name, last name, because you need to know who these people are. Email, that would be you would be able to grab them all and send them an email if you have included that. The home branch, want to make sure you're not pulling in people from other branches. The student ID is the one that we're going to report to DDS, so you can include that. The student record ID just marries the learner or the user to the course, so we really don't need that. Version, I usually uncheck that. Status, we want to know. I don't know if you want to know the score. I don't care. Most of them don't have a score. If you want to include these two, you can. I don't. I just want to know if they've completed or if they're still incomplete. If you do have a due date, I would say check this, but I don't really have any due dates set. Don't have any due dates, so I have no overdue. I don't really want to know when they started. I want to know the date they completed it. And, you know, you can include these if you want. I don't care about this. The other thing I want to know is I want to make sure it's pulling in only those with a yes for service coordinator. And then I want to know what is the tag that's associated with the course, because we've got the title here, but it doesn't tell us how we're reporting it to DDS, so we want to include that. Then we click next, next, and then we can name it, and I'm going to call this FDLRC SC Onboarding 2025-26. And I'm going to create the report. Now you can deliver this to other people if you want when you set it up as a recurring report, but I want to run it once, then I can set a schedule. I want to make sure it works properly. Okay, I paused this so that it would run and complete, and it has done so. It may take a while, depending on how much you have. The more data, the longer the report takes to run, but it should show in progress while it is running. So then I'm going to download the report. And save it. And I'm going to open it here. And you can see that I have my data here. I have my additional information on the second sheet. And you can see I've got my title, my code, first name, last name, email. They're all from my branch here. And they are listing the tags. Some of them have more than one tag. And you can see everybody is a yes. So I have a total here of 482 courses that have been taken. They are sorted by the course. Now you can sort it by email, so you can group them all together to see, you know, who has completed what. And let's see. So you can see this person has completed 3 courses. So has this person. You know, some people have done more than one. Like, for instance, Karina, she looks like she's really getting them all done. So she's meeting the tags over here. Let's see if we can grab her. Oops. And follow her over here, and you can see she's done 3, she's done 9, 10, 15, 16, A and B, several for B. She's done 17 and she's done 18. So she's got some other ones to take. So that's it. Let's see.